We were here I just put him on now, but he did all this the other day, just in one go, so I just wanted to show you. He's not ring barking and he's just pulling the dead bark off. So yeah, I love that he gets to do this. Feather fluffing out. Oh, a bit of water down there if you can see it. And when he gets really excited, he goes, "Where's water? Where's water? Where's water?" He says that. So with his overgrown nails, another option would be I could have toweled him and tried to do it myself, and definitely didn't want that to be like his first experience or one of his first experiences at our place, because he has the dark the dark nails. You can't see where the thing goes to, and yeah, they're quite sensitive, their beaks and nails. You look orange. You look orange. I can hear a bird up there. A knock-knock bird. It's a little cute little honeysuckle thing. Okay. I hope he was never stolen from nature. I hope he was actually bred to be.